Well, let's try some Thai food in Playa del Carmen here. Pretty reasonably priced, $155. Salad with shrimp. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this shaggy dog. Who needs a drone? Right? All right, welcome, Chico. We are here in Playa del Carmen. Let's go grab some dinner. Just come back from Cozumel, visiting with our dear friends Liz and Chris, Carnival Cruise addicts. You're here with two gringos on the Gulf, here in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Vámonos, vámonos, let's go. Gonna go meet up with some more friends. We're tired, we're hungry, we're ready for a nap, I think. Let's go, let's go. Vámonos, vámonos. Oi. Look at this guy. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Big fur ball, eh? You're a big fur ball, eh? What's a big fur ball? All right, so we just got off the ferry a few minutes ago. Come right out onto a busy area in Playa del Carmen, right at the portal. Let's go, let's go. Life is normal here in Mexico. Everything's good. It's good in the hood. Just another day in paradise. Let's go get our feed bag on. A little walking tour here today, my friend. Thanks for joining us. We really appreciate it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Real life, real life.
Pero nada más son como para pasar la noche.
Oh, we're gonna walk up to 25th and then take a right. For reference, we're at Hotel Lunasol, a small little hotel. Got rooms in the back. Okay, here's the old Mustang, and you got the old Vocho. That's a nice old bug. Well, we're gonna go meet up with our dear friends Keith and Sherry. We were freezing coming back from the island there. The wind was chilly. It was a chilly wind. Okay, here's our turn. Right turn, Clyde. Oh yeah, they're just right up ahead. Straight down. Let's try some Thai food in Playa del Carmen here. Pretty reasonably priced, $155. Salad with shrimp.
I'll just pull it.
Yeah.
I'll get that as a starter and that hot one.
Lettuce wrap.
I can tell you about
Asian shrimp. Ooh. 10 spicy shrimp for $2.20. Wow, that sounds pretty good. Not bad. Pad Thai. $2.20. Big menu.
You probably like that one.
Yeah, Pad Thai with shrimp. And you got Pad Thai with chicken. Pollo. Pollo. And camarons. Oh, you got nuts on the side. Just in case you don't like the nuts. Chili flakes. Yeah, chili flakes on the side.
I found it a lot of chicken.
Oh, look at that. What are those?
Satay.
Satay chicken.
Oh, those look good. And what do you got?
Cajun shrimp, I think, right? Yeah.
Cajun shrimp.
That looks really good too. Provecho. Well, there you go. That's it. Pretty good Thai food here. Calle 4 North and 25 Avenue. So right on the corner. Calle 4 and Avenue 25. Esquina Thai.
Family run business.
Yeah, family business. Very good. Excellent food. I'll put the price right up there somewhere for you. Just waiting on the girls. Man, it was good. It was really, really good. It was spicy, fresh, very fresh, super friendly. You can see how busy it is in there. It's quite busy. And just family run business with really good quality food. Nothing fancy. Prices were pretty reasonable, I would say. Right beside Lavanderia, Laundromat. Well, that's it for Sherry and Keith. Heading back to Canada.
Woohoo!
Hopefully it's, well, no, the weather should be decent when you guys get home where you live. Have you checked the weather?
Not once.
Not once. I don't even have any clue. Well, there's not going to be any snow, right?
No, no snow.
No, there won't be no snow. They fly out at 8 o'clock, 8:30? 8:30 in the morning? 8 o'clock with WestJet, or no, Air Canada. All right, well, that's your final meal in Mexico, some Thai food.
Yeah.
Walking away with full bellies.
Yeah, me too. I got a full belly. Oh my God.
I'm just gonna give you some red water.
Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, is this a market? Oh, it's a market here, eh?
Yeah,
You
the
get-
fruit market.
Oh, yeah, it's first size actually. You guys shop there?
A couple of times.
Juarez is one more.
Gotta go one more?
Juarez is one more. Second?
Yeah, looks like a nice market. Very nice.
This is where the locals pick up their buses.
They're what?
Their buses. Their
Oh.
Colectivos.
Oh, yeah, yeah, the Colectivos right here.
This is their final destination. The city ones. Inside.
And it looks like some pan. Okay. Well, if you like this type of vlog, give us a like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. You'd be doing us a great favor. We're just gonna take you for a little walk here through Playa del Carmen, making our way back to the car. Got the street vendors here. Oh, torta, making a torta. Okay, we got Avenue 20 right here, straight ahead. Yeah, we got to go one more block over to the left here. Yeah, so this is Benito Juarez, the street here. We got to go a block this way. We got to go a block and a half this way. Hola. Yeah, we walked too far. We got to backtrack now. That's okay. We'll walk off some of our pasta Thai food here. All right, this is where we always park, right here. The parkade. All right, my friend. So we had an awesome time with Sherry and Keith. So you guys, hope you're doing well back in Vancouver. They live right on the island, right? No, mainland.
Right in Vancouver.
Right in Vancouver, the heart of the city.
Well, I don't know about that, but
They live in Vancouver. We had a great time visiting with those guys. So you're not going to see them in any more videos. So not till next year. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. Adios. Hasta luego. And as always, be kind to one another. Real life here with Dos Gringos un Golfo.
en el Golfo. Hasta el próximo video.
Adios.
Sorry.
Lo siento.